let me just give you a little tip on listening. You are probably frustrated why you cannot listen to Korean because native Korean people speak so fast. I think there are two reasons. One is lack of sheer amount of listening time, and two is the lack of pronunciation practice. Let me explain. Number one is sheer amount of time, which means you need 3 to 4 hours times 3 years to be native level fluent. That's from the baby to 4-year-old kid listening to their parents, what they're saying. So that hour is about 3,000 hours, but you gotta reach that in your lifetime, right? But if you listen to Korean for 10 minutes a day, it will take 80 years. Can you believe that? So next one is pronunciation practice. When you cannot pronunciate one thing, it's likely that you will not be able to listen to them and understand it. So for example, there are two ways to say B sound. It's ba ba ba, babu babu, and ba ba ba, ba, people people. But in English, there is only one B sound, b b b. So you need to be able to distinguish these two different and a lot of different pronunciations in Korean clearly by practicing a lot. So by listening to them 3,000 hours, listening to Korean 3,000 hours, and pinpointing where to practice your pronunciation, this will help you understand fast-paced native Korean listening. Okay, that was my tip. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.